In this video, we're going to use the mean value theorem and its corollaries to solve problems. It says, suppose f is continuous on 0, 7 and differentiable on the open interval 0 to 7. If 7 is less than or equal to f prime of x less than or equal to 9 for all values of x, an element of 0 to 7, what is the possible range of values of f of 7 minus f of 0? So let's recall what the mean value theorem states. If we have a closed interval from 0 to 7 that f is continuous on, so yep, that's part of it. And it's differentiable on 0 to 7, yep. Then the theorem basically states that f prime of c is equal to fb minus f of a all over b minus a for some c value. So we're going to say for some c is an element of AB. Okay. So if this is the case, if we've checked off these two things, then we know that this is going to be true for, this is going to be true for this problem. So what we need to do is we need to say, all right, what does this all mean? Well, our interval is 0 to 7. So this is our A. A would be 0. So if we write 0 to 7, this is A would be 0 and B would be 7. So I can go ahead and write that f prime of c would be equal to f of 7 minus f of 0 all over 7 minus 0, because I'm just using the endpoints there. Now, I'm going to state that f prime of x here is equal to f prime of c. So really we have 7 less than or equal to f prime of c less than or equal to 9 because of the mean value theorem, because we're saying that there's some c that is an element of a to b. I could have said some x, but they use c in the theorem, so we're going to use c for this piece here. So if I do a little simplifying, I can write f prime of c is equal to f of 7 minus f of 0 over 7. Now remember, I'm trying to find the range of possible values of f of 7 minus f of 0. So I'm really looking to get this, so it just says f of 7 minus f of 0 is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to some number. Well, notice I have f prime of c here and here. So I can use a substitution and say that 7 is going to be less than or equal to f of 7 minus f of 0 all over 7, less than or equal to 9. So that's a nice substitution, because now I'm pinching this value for f prime of c in between 7 and 9, and I can figure out by multiplying by 7 on each side that 49 is going to be less than or equal to f of 7 minus f of 0, which is less than or equal to 63. So I found that my range then, or the range of possible values, it would be 49 to 63 with brackets on each side. This is the range for, this would be the range for f of 7 minus f of 0.